Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, now.
Now, is everything okay?
Yes, now everything is
Oh
okay.
my
Good
God.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon. And it's every day. I face this kind of problem when I don't know what is happening, and I'm literally having problem, and I'm
Yeah.
trying to fix, but I am unable to fix it. I think I have to fix after this conversation. I have to see what is happening in my laptop. Where is the issue? Where is the fault I have in my laptop?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, sometime it happened
Yeah,
because now I think Skype has shut down. So now we have to learn this type of activity. If
it was.
somebody keep
Yeah,
doing this work, then you know.
that
Hmm.
was very convenient for us. We don't need to, we don't need to do extra things for just recording. That was really very convenient, and we are so
Hmm.
easy.
Yeah.
We were so easy with the Skype, but on Zoom
Yeah.
application, it is really hectic. It,
Yeah, actually, since then I have recorded only two videos. Now I feel very burnout after recording this type of activity we have to do.
we,
Sometime recording is good and sometime it can be spoiled
it's
because sometime our voice is not matching, sometimes something fishy. So it's very hectic.
It's very
Hmm.
hectic. Yeah, I agree. I agree. So, yeah,
Yes.
very good afternoon. And how have you been?
Yeah, I have been good.
Good to.
And what about you?
Yeah, I am also doing so good so far. By the God grace, I have no complaint and everything is fine.
Very nice. We should be
Mm,
fine.
yeah. So,
Yes.
since we are meeting very first time, so we should introduce ourselves. So, shall you start? Would you like to introduce yourself first?
Okay, okay. As you know, my name is Seema. I'm a homemaker, mother as well. I dwell in a Kanpur, UP. I have done PG. I was teacher. I left the journey. Now I have started teaching at home, spoken English. I want to grab this knowledge. So that is the reason I have started. And simultaneously, I run my YouTube channel. I have been uploading video with the consistent for 3 months. So, if you want to know about my hobby, I love so many things in my life. I want to do so many things. I like hum song, I like dance, I like speaking with a person. So, that is my hobbies.
That is
These are.
great. I think you you have so many things on your plate. You have so much on your plate.
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah,
After becoming a
yes,
mother
yes.
and after becoming a housewife, I can see it is really very arduous, a task for especially women who are married. So I really appreciate. Yeah. Mhm.
That is a odd desire. Actually, after getting married and after become a mother, then we try to forget ourselves कि we have some desire. Being a mother, we have to actually give better life to our children. That is the reason we have to sacrifice sometime.
Yeah, not sometime,
That is
every
the
time.
reason.
We sacrifice our own happiness, our own things. Because that time we
Yeah.
feel we don't have time to ourselves. Because we are
Mhm.
engaged and we are occupied with so many things. So that time we feel that I can't give time to myself and I am enough, whatever I am doing. But I think whatever you are doing in your life, just try to give at least 1 hour to yourself. And I believe in this.
Yeah.
At least because we also
Yeah.
love ourselves. We should love to ourselves. And why we forgot after getting married, and I don't know. I think due to the
Well.
responsibilities and all the other things, married life, professional life. Yeah, that's
Mhm.
good.
Yeah, because after getting married, our life totally changed. And we need this type of partner who can understand us and who give us, we can say, facility and
Hmm.
who can understand she has also desire, she wants to do something in her life. So we need this type of partner, but I got this type of partner.
Very
And now I am
lucky.
doing, now I'm learning.
And touch wood,
And
very
now,
lucky. You have very lucky person that you have the person who support you and who inspire
Mhm,
you and who, who wants you to do something in your life. So yeah, that is really
mhm.
also great things. Yeah.
Yes. So that is our desire, no? Actually, in our time when we were a student, we didn't have this type of opportunity. We didn't know how to join, how to speak, how to, because in our time when I was teacher, actually, that time I didn't have this type of opportunity like a social media, like this type of apps. But I have done PG, then I knew how to make sentence. But now I can speak because I have this group and
Environment,
like we are talking,
exposure. Now
environment,
you have
atmosphere,
exposure, environment,
social
atmosphere.
media, social media.
Hmm.
Social media is a ubiquitous. We can connect anyone, anywhere. So that is a very
Anytime.
advantage for anytime.
Anytime.
So.
Yeah, yeah, I see, yeah, certainly. So as you mentioned that you were a teacher. Now you are teaching at home. You are teaching spoken classes at your home. So which subject did you teach in your when you were, doing job,
Mhm.
when you were working?
Yeah, when I was teacher, I used to teach English 1 to 5th, but school was Hindi medium. I used to speak Hindi, so it was very difficult for me. But now I want to join my children's school. We can say here actually Hindi is not allowed. So I have to speak English, and now I have started spoken English, and it will going well. Then I don't need to join any class because at home, actually my husband mostly he lives outside, so I have to handle so many things. I live in a nuclear family, so I have to see my children, and I have to do so many things outside work,
I
inside
can
work. So it's
understand.
very hectic.
Yes, very.
So I can
Very
do.
daunting task for you. I can feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And time is.
But now I feel glad.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. But
So,
now I feel glad that I can speak. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, we
Okay, you
should.
have any topic, then you can.
I think today I didn't have any topic because I didn't prepare myself, and I was not feeling well today. So I was thinking not taking any class, but then I was trying to sleep, but I was on the other side. I was thinking why I did not take any session, why I did not do practice. And I was feeling
Mhm.
restless, and I was feeling uneasy, and I was feeling something
Mhm.
incomplete. Then I messaged in that group that is anyone free at this time. So I just
Mhm.
suddenly I got up and I got ready and I just come without any preparation. So if you have, then we can
Okay.
talk.
Okay. So now we can say about happiness. Happiness is very precious for our life. So uh, we can say about happiness. We should be happy, but it's very difficult to happy because there are so many people. They have so many distraction now. Distraction of inflation, distraction of education, distraction of job. There's so many. So how can we overcome from this distraction and for happiness? What should we do for happiness?
So it's really very interesting question that how we can overcome this such kind of distraction, and how we can be happy. So I must say that first we just need to we just need to focus on ourselves, what we are doing. We just we just have to realize that what we are doing, because whatever we do, lots of people always judge you. They will always ready to judge you. They will always they will always ready to let you down. They will always disappoint you. So if you are if you feel that your happiness is more important than other, So I would say then don't pay attention to others. Just pay attention to yourself and just pay attention that what you are doing. And if you are doing one thing and you are enjoying that process, so I would say that is a happiness. And people will say, and let them say, let them think, let them judge, and let them think whatever they want to do. You just have to do whatever you are doing, and you just have to love yourself, I would say that. And you just have to pay
Hmm.
attention yourself, and in this way you can overcome to distraction, and in this way you can feel more happy, I would say.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, this is
But
my
you know,
perspective. Yeah.
yeah, actually, in a saying, it is easy. But if we can say about a student, they keep doing study, but they always fail. We can say about NEET class of a student, IS of a student. They actually before doing exam, they did so many effort. They keep reading, they keep study, but they are not getting full of marks. They failed only one number for one number, two number, and suddenly they take decision for suicide. So there is a happiness because
Very.
now it is going on. I have
Because
seen so many people.
because they think that if I will pass, so this is my happiness. But it's not like that. Maybe this time
Hmm.
you did not better, but next time you will do much better. So what I know that
Hmm. Hmm.
1 year will be wasted, there is no doubt for room. But maybe just try to just try to rectify your mistake. Where did you make mistake? Just try to just try to analyze where you need to work upon and what mistake you did last time, so next time you can improve. So because
Hmm. Hmm.
mistake always teach you. So why are you thinking that
Yeah.
if I fail this time, so I will suicide? No, there is no way. You are running to
Hmm.
yourself.
Hmm.
You are not ready to face your failure, because failure
Yeah.
is an option. Why do you think this? It is just end up everything. It's not like that. You can
Hmm.
start
Hmm.
again. You learn from your
Yeah.
mistakes and analyze yourself, and where did you make mistakes, where you needed to work upon, where you can find your areas. So that's how you can overcome, you can think in positive way.
Yeah, but a student,
Because they are not
very, we can say,
mature. We are mature, but I
very
think they are not
innocent.
mature
They
as
are
we
very
are.
innocent.
As we are.
And nowadays, parents are also very worried for
Yeah.
sending their children outside because they can actually, without telling their parents, they take decision for this. And second, happiness because of inflation. We can say inflation is going on everywhere. We can say inflation is increasing. So it's
Hmm.
very difficult to fulfill our desire.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
How can overcome of this?
No, I did not hear what did you say, because in between your voice is
Inflation
breaking.
is expensive, expensive, महंगाई.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I'm not
But
getting your
inflation,
point.
actually now we can say in everywhere inflation is going on. In a school we have to pay lots of fees. If we are buying anything, if we go outside for buying any expensive dress and grocery and any item, then these are also very expensive. That is a kind of inflation. So
Yeah.
how we can overcome?
How we can? Little bit difficult question
Yeah.
for me.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, I can say.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am. How much time did we take?
1 minute. I think it's been 10 minutes. We have been talking.
Okay, okay. Hmm. So
Yeah.
I can say
Hmm.
there's so many kind of inflation. Inflation is expenses. Hmm.
Yeah, I understand.
So now we can say. Now we can say if we send or send our children in a high-fi school, then we can say inflation. It's very difficult for normal person for sending their children in a high-fi school. But we want to give more better life to our children than us. So that is the reason. And second reason, if we are buying something, if we are going anything, where for buying anything, so we have to think before buying because we have to cut the coat according to cloth like जितनी चादर है उतने ही पैर फैलाए.
Fair fella.
So we have to think about this.
Yeah,
So that is a very precious. If we think we should cut the coat according to cloth, then we are happy.
we are happy. And
Otherwise, we always keep worried about other person. कि, yeah, they are happy. They buy this thing, and I have to buy because he saw me and she saw me, rich person. Why should I not? Why shouldn't I?
whatever you have,
So,
just be grateful and
yeah.
do things according your budget. Whatever
Hmm.
whatever you have your budget, and do if you do in this way, so maybe you can feel happy because you know what is your budget, and you will do according, and you are doing to according your budget, so you can do in a very well manner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is a very, and nowadays we can say it's very difficult to getting happiness because people
Happiness.
are very worried for money. Money is the richest heavy being. हाथ का मैल है.
Hmm.
So we have to think about this. And for the money, there are so many people want to leave this India and their family because they want to earn money outside in a foreigner. So it's very difficult for their family.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
where is the happiness? It's very difficult to get happiness nowadays.
Nowadays, I think nowhere is happiness. We are just assuming that is happiness, this is happiness, but there is no
Hmm.
happiness. We are just
Happiness,
trying
actually,
to
happiness.
satisfy ourselves.
Hmm.
We
Yeah.
are we are
And we can say
looking,
happiness.
yeah, 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 go on.
Yeah, we can say happiness where we can find there somebody has a money. If you have money, then everybody running behind you and happiness also behind you.
Of
You know,
course.
because you have so much and you can help other person, you can deposit others fees, you can get others marriage, then you are winner. You
Yeah.
are God for them. Then that is a happiness. Because of money, you are happiness.
Why
So now we can say it's very.
why should like that if someone has money, so he has, he has everything, he has, good lifestyle, and he has happiness, he has people around them. So why it is like that? Why we consider
Because
money is everything? Why we consider money?
because ma'am, now actually we can say 80% people are educated, and being in spite of being educated, we are not getting good job, and we are always jealous after seeing other person. We always compare us with other person. That is we are losing our happiness.
We
We
are,
don't think, yeah, whatever we have, we should say, increase and we should spend time with our family, and
yeah,
we should spend time with ourselves, not after seeing, after compare others.
you know.
So that is,
Yeah, probably they have money, but it can be happen they don't have family member with whom they can share their feeling, their emotion. They are just earning the
hmm,
money. But I think
hmm,
when it comes to share everything, that they feel lonely at that time. They feel alone. But if you don't have money, if you have family, so that is everything. Because without
it,
family, you are nothing. Without money, you are
yeah,
something. But without family, you are nothing. In my, in my
yeah,
opinion. So, but we don't
yeah,
see
but
these
if you
things,
have
what
money,
we have. We just see what we have to others, and we just want to get. If
yeah,
he has, so I also want to get these things. Yeah, that's how we
yeah,
are
so
living
that
our
is a very,
life to chasing to others' dream.
we should, yeah, we should not compare us with other person, and now it's very difficult. And
We all,
family, we can say, if you have money, then there's so many people wants to get married with you, and you can you
yeah,
so that is a very easy for making family.
I'm making family.
So now everything is the money. Yeah, we can say if you have money, then you are happy. And we can say about Ambani is the richest person in this India, but he is not happy because he actually can't treatment his son.
It's
His son, actually, his son has some disease,
yeah,
so he can't do anything. He is not happy.
yeah. And
But we
after having
others,
lots of money,
hmm,
he is unable to give a treatment to their son after having
yeah.
lots of money,
So,
because something
uh,
is not in our control, something is not in our hand. So,
hmm,
and we think if I will have money, I can do everything. I can do everything. We think in this way, but
yeah,
it's not like we can just assume. But when it comes in real, it doesn't happen in this way.
yes.
Yeah.
So, for happiness, first we should sacrifice something, because in this world we have to sacrifice something for happiness, for getting happiness. If
Mm.
we should not compare the person, they are rich and we should have money according that person. And education also, we can say now we are educated person, then if we are not success and we are not getting marks according or study, so we should think we have a lots of time. Next year we will do. But yeah, people, student, they are very worried. They always suddenly they take decision for suicide, because I have seen so many person like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
So
mhm.
I think we have been talking more than 15 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Now, nice to meet you, and we will meet next time.
Yeah,
Hmm?
nice to meet you.
Until
Thank
then,
you. It was nice
thank
conversation.
you.
Thank you.
Hmm. Then you can stop recording and you can